Hold a short exchange using only familiar vocabulary such as greetings, asking one's state, name, asking and responding to how someone is doing. So you would go to the call that we booked here, which I show you already. Tamam, this one right here. Okay, so it's happening in 5 days. And so the instructor will walk you through this lesson roadmap, right? So he will start trying to exchange with you. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam, kayf al-hal, how are you doing, etc., etc. Then we will ask you about your name, how are you, and so on. And we will try to make sure that you differentiate in between masculine and feminine, which is something that's part of lesson number 1. Then from amongst other exercises as well, on lesson number 1 as an example, obviously the level increases, there's different exercises. Here, we make the student translate the sentence in English, then cover the translation and make him repeat the same activity 2-3 times, randomly picking sentences until he is able to do it quickly. Then repeat the same process with the English pronouns. The student should translate them to Arabic, then cover the translation and point to random pronouns. The student should be able to quickly translate them to Arabic. If that's not the case, repeat the process until he's able to do so. And then similar exercises, then make him practice what they just trained on by translating these short sentences. And then as you can see on the screen, for each lesson, the instructor will have a final